Hey y'all, welcome back to the Plus Size Vixen channel. Today we doing a little something different for the new year. So first I like to say Happy New Year. I would like to say welcome if you're new to this page. But we about to start vlogging because honey, the try on hauls is cute and it's cool. However, it takes a lot to keep that going and flowing. So we gonna start doing a day in the life of Plus Size Vixen. So if y'all ready to get this started, I need y'all to stay tuned because I got a couple of things I want to show y'all because I'm excited about this new year, this new vlog, and let alone I even tried to do me a new intro. So y'all could drop the comments below and tell me what y'all think about it. So this is my new YouTube intro for my vlogging. I mean, I think over time I will figure out if I want to keep it like this, but I didn't want to pay again to get it done again, so I decided to do that. I just realized I didn't tell y'all what today is. Today is Thursday, January 12th, but I also want to introduce y'all to my new camera. Yes, for Christmas, your girl got a new camera, my tripod stand and all. So I'm still doing the research on how to use it and stuff like that. So before I get ready to start recording, I just want to learn more how to use it and stuff like that. But I'm excited because now I could really be outside with the vlogging. You feel me? So yes, this is the Canon EOS M200. It's a part of the content creator kit that everyone was getting over the holiday times. It's cute. Hold on, let me see something. It's giving. I was going to get a little pink case so I could cover it. So, to make it, make it girly, to make it mine. So, last but not least, for I end this vlog for today, we got a package. And I guess I'm going to unbag it because it's not a box. Unbag it with you. Pink was having a sale, so if y'all don't know, the semi-annual sale is going on, and I decided to get me a couple of things that I thought was cute. So let me open this up so I can show y'all what I got. So I got all the packages open. So here's some crew socks I got that says Just Love, and then it came in a white pair, and then I have a gray pair. And then I got some more crew socks, which is the black with the P, the white with the P. I got this little sports bra number. It's like a mint sports bra. Only thing I don't like about it so far, I didn't even put it on yet, but I can't stand when they put the padding in the bra. It's like this rack, we got enough racks on racks on racks. We don't need no padding. Now this is what I really wanted. So I noticed with pink tights, they suck you in. So I got these. And I thought this was everything. And yes, I got a size extra large. And last but not least, got me a crop top. About to be out here when. Yes, do y'all see? I got a pink hoodie. And this crop top. Honey, I cannot wait. I don't know if I want to wear this to the gym first, or wear it as a little outfit and then wear it to the gym once I get a couple of cute pics in it. But yes, it's sad because I always wanted a pink hoodie, but I refused to pay the prices. Let's see, the original price on this is $52.95. I believe I only paid $20 something. So I guess I was always, I don't want to call it being cheap, but hey, it is what it is. But I finally got one. It was on sale. Again, if y'all are interested, I don't know if these pieces are still available, but I will link it in below in the description box. But until tomorrow, y'all be safe and have fun. I'm about to run some errands today, do some laundry, do some cleaning up, go to the doctor. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me, and I'm just showing y'all some things I do to start my morning. So I'm about to journal, and I'll get right back with y'all. Hey y'all, I'm back a little more dressed up, a little more together. As y'all can see, it's a rainy day. So I'm about to head to the doctor now to get my yearly checkup. So you should kind of know where I'm going, what kind of doctor I'm going to. And then I'm going to run some more errands. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to eat for dinner tonight. And I need to get some stuff to clean up my synthetic wig. I mean, don't get me wrong, these synthetic wigs be hitting, but when them ends go, them ends be looking crazy. It'll be looking like, damn, like I got a wool on the end of my head. So we gotta clean that up. We gotta get our lives. So just come on for the journey. Let's go, let's roll. We in the car. You like my little teddy bear thing? Let's roll. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I just left the doctor office. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Sometimes going to the doctor office gives me more anxiety because I feel like when they be like, oh, well, let's run more tests, let's do this, let's do that, my mom be like, okay, you know. But I mean, of course, you can't have faith in fear. So since I do believe in God, I'm not gonna sit here and fear anything because in the blood everything will be fine. But I do need to check on myself. Your health is important. Health is wealth. So I am happy I did go to the doctor. We're running tests and we're seeing what we need to do because at this point, I hope we can take these fibroids out because it's not for me. That excruciating pain is not it. So we'll stay tuned on that. And until next, come shopping with me now. Y'all, I gotta do a little bit better. I'm gonna be honest. I didn't really vlog that much grocery shopping because one, is raining outside, and I think when I got in the store, I was on a mission. Like I was just like, let me get what I gotta get to get up out of here. But I'm gonna show y'all some of the things I did get because I'm gonna make some Philly cheesesteaks tonight for me and my son. So I got the steak. Yeah. Got some steaks. I got some fries. And I got some salad. I'm gonna make us a salad. You know, the provolone cheese. And I also got some peppers and onions. So I'm about to get things seasoned and started. So by the time I pick them up at 5, like most of this stuff is like halfway done and we get ready to eat. Because my son will let you know he hungry in a heartbeat. So, come on. Hey y'all, today is Friday. I would like to apologize because yesterday after I cooked the steak sandwiches, like I was kind of like exhausted, and then not only that, I had to help my son with his homework. So I just kind of like just ended the vlog. But today is a new day. I'm about to enter into a meeting in a few minutes. And at first I'm like, what am I gonna do today? But Two things I am trying to do is I'm trying to get a tattoo. I want a tattoo that says Faith Over Fear on my right wrist. So I'm going to call back a tattoo shop maybe later on today to inquire about that. And then last but not least, something else I wanted to do was revamp this wig. I don't know if y'all can see how puffy these ends is, but I was on TikTok all yesterday learning how to make this synthetic wig come back to life. So hopefully I could just record that and I guess chill out for the rest of the day, you know. So I made the decision to go get the tattoo. This is my fit. Y'all see my Chanel band and my little earrings? I'm about to go now and get this tattoo. So come on, y'all. Here's the tattoo shop. So I'm back home, y'all. Got my tattoos. It look crazy like that, but got my tattoo. Of course, I can never say it was painful. Like, I definitely talked to the guy the whole time. We laughed, we chat. He shared a lot of helpful information, and I love it. I mean, I've been wanting this tattoo for a while. It does mean something to me. I didn't just get a tattoo to get it, but back in November, you know, I took a big test, and unfortunately, I failed again. And I got kind of discouraged, and I was like, you gotta have faith over fear. Faith over fear. Things happen for a reason. Things happen for a reason. And that whole just saying just stuck with me for so long. I was like, hey, you know, I should get a tattooed on me. And I know some of y'all said, girl, you could have probably put that on a shirt, or you could have probably just wrote it in a book. But for some reason, I want to always look at it and be remembered like, it's faith over fear, beloved. Like, you got this. Like, good time. So I decided to unwind and watch Carisha Please with Trina, and I'm smoking wine. Smoking hookah and drinking a little wine. This is my personalized glass. I got this for graduation now 3 years ago, but I love my glass. You see, it's nice and frozen and chilled. And we sipping a little bit of Barefoot Sweet Red. I was really looking for Carl Rossi, but it is what it is. So I was just sitting here thinking, right? And I was saying to myself, hold on, Carisha and Trina. I was sitting here thinking to myself, like, happy Saturday. Welcome back to the vlog. So I've been up like an hour ago. It's almost 9 o'clock, so 2 hours ago. And I just been cleaning, getting ready for the week ahead. But I did tell y'all I wanted to show y'all how I take my synthetic hair, my synthetic wig from being looking raggedy and nappy to straighten it. So follow me downstairs while I show y'all the process of what I'm doing. So here's my wig. Y'all see how puffy it look? It looks so puffy. So I bought some silicone mix. And then over here I have some boiling hot water on the stove. Let me show y'all. So inside the boiling hot water, I put fabric softener because all over TikTok was like, put fabric softener, it's going to work. So we're about to get this process started. So I lathered it up with the silicone mix as much as I can. And now I'm about to dip it inside of the boiling hot water. Y'all, so I decided to take a walk in the park after I finished getting ready for the week. I ironed clothes. I showed y'all me washing my synthetic wig. So when I get back home, I'm gonna get to cleaning up. So I did a little 15-minute walk in the park. I didn't realize how cold it was. It's 41 degrees, and I'm surprised I did 15 minutes because it was getting so cold, and I'm not fully dressed. Like, you know, I feel like these are one of them days where you need like scarf, earmuffs, and yeah, I was half prepared. So I'm proud of myself that I did 15 minutes, something better than nothing. Now I'm about to just go get some gas, some lottery tickets, and head back home and chill out until it's time for me and my son to go to dinner later. So come on. Hey y'all, so as y'all saw, I did a couple of things. I cleaned up my wig. I wish I would have took a picture of how much synthetic plastic hair came off the wig, but it felt like I was able to make at least 3 tracks. But I cleaned it up. That's why you see me in my other little piece. Then after that, I kind of took a nap. I got a little tired. I did wake up early today, so I was tired. So what you gonna see next is I went to the Cheesecake Factory with my son. We had dinner. You know, I didn't really get nothing too heavy, as I showed a salad. So I had a salad. I had some flatbread, and we shared the cheesecake together, so it was good. So now I'm about to show y'all my bath routine. I'm about to like get ready to shower for the night because unfortunately I work tomorrow on Sunday. So what I'm gonna do tonight is this strawberry milk sugar scrub. It's for the body. I'm gonna do this face mask, and then I'm gonna redo my nails. Like, don't get me wrong, I really love my, French, but I feel like I'm ready to go back a little long. And since I'm a nude girl, like stuff nude, I'm gonna do something long. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna end tonight's vlog because after I'm done showering and stuff, I'm just gonna go relax. And I might try to squeeze a little bit of what I do on Sunday in there. So, thank you guys for watching. And if you haven't subscribed by now, what are you waiting for? Oh, this was the 5th for the night. That was, pink girl.